there, my name is Maria José and I'm from Norteamericano, Valparaiso. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this easy mouse bookmark. So let's get ready. First, you need some materials. Get some glue, markers, a pencil, a pair of scissors, and a post-it note. First, you need to make a triangle. So fold the post-it note. Okay? Now that you have the triangle, you have 3 corners, and you're going to pull this corner in so you can match with the corner that you have on the top. Do the same here, and you will get a square. Next, open the square and you should get this pocket. Okay? On one side, you're going to have 1 corner, and on the other side, you're going to have 3. On this side, you are going to fold the 3 corners in. And this is what you will get. Now that you have this ready, we are going to draw the mouse face. So you need your marker, and you're going to draw the eyes, the nose, and the whiskers, like this. Eyes, whiskers, nose. Okay? Finally, we need to make the ears. Get some extra paper, use scissors, and cut out 2 ears. Now I have my 2 ears, and you have to paste them like this. Okay? Get the glue, put some glue, and stick the ears. It's very simple. 1 ear, and this is the second ear. And that's it. This is your bookmark. Here I have 1. Okay, you can make different bookmarks with different colors, and they are very easy to make. Si te gustó este proyecto, te comento que es parte de las actividades de nuestro taller Hands-On Project, que está especialmente diseñado para niños desde los 7 años de edad. Si quieres tener mayores detalles de este taller, te invito a contactarnos a través de las redes sociales o visitar nuestro sitio web. Espero que les haya gustado este pequeño tutorial. Bye!